Hello, good evening, everybody. So it has been a long time. I didn't do any video because I was actually on vacation for quite sometimes 3 weeks out of the country, and also it was just too hot. I just don't want to do anything in the garden right now, and I'm sweating. I'm soaking wet right now, and it is now 6:54 p.m. So today. I'm not going to talk about rose, and I just want to show you what is the best growing bulb in my garden right now, and my favorite summer plant in the Mobile, Alabama Zone 9A, and they are just a champ at the hot and humid climate. And this is elephant ear or Colocasia. So as you can see, they are actually, this is actually a afternoon sun spot, and is probably a toughest spot to grow in the south, because the afternoon sunspot is very, very hot, and it doesn't really get any sun until I think 3 p.m., which is the hottest time of the day. Okay, when I say hot, it's hot here in the south. But the Colocasia, which is elephant ear, they can take the heat with no problem at all, and they're basically pretty carefree, and you can see how beautiful they are. They add so much color to the landscape, and there are so many different variety that actually you can grow. This one is called Redemption. I just love the almost black color leaf with the like dark pink. It's just really striking. And this one is probably received the less sun. I have another one actually at the more sunnier spot. I can show the difference. So you can see it doesn't really grow that much. So it actually likes some sun. Okay. Now this one is called the I think electric blue gecko, and I don't know if you can see, but it does give some blue color sheen to it. It's a very dark leaf. I think it's really cool. It's like very shiny. It's glossy, and I just think it's very cool. And then this one is pretty special. This is actually a Pharoah, a red variety. How cool is this vein? Check that out. Look at that. It looks like an alien plant, isn't it? Look at that color. I just think it's super duperly cool. And this is the new leaf that come out. Absolutely gorgeous. And I'm gonna show you the Pharoah later. I have a baby one over here, but this one is so beautiful. I just can't. It is amazing. Highly recommend you all to get this. It's gonna be your focal in your garden. And this right here is really cool as well. It's called Waikiki, and I really like it because how it gives you this white color vein looking thing, and like a bright light, something like it's like a spot, like sprite, like just a light that just light up from the middle. And it's really striking. Look at that. It just this is not a tall variety, so it's pretty small size for me. I mean, at least it's smaller than this Pharoah, red Pharoah. So I like how it gives a little layer. So it's really nice. And this one right here is Mojito. I think a lot of people are familiar with this variety. It's called Mojito, and every single leaf is different, and they are big. Look at how big they are. And yeah, this one is really nice. How cool is that pattern? And then I have the Pharoah. So you see, this is the red one. So the red one has the red color vein, and this is the black color vein. How cool is that? This is really my favorite, also because of how cool it looks. It sends out baby really fast though. You can see that. So I hope it will fill up this area soon, because I really like it. And then we have Black Magic. Black Magic is pretty cool. It's matte, it's not glossy, so but it's really dark color. And I like how when the sun shines on it, it really gives it like a glow kind of thing. And this is the Redemption that received more sun, so you can see the leaf is a little bigger. I just love Redemption a lot. I think it's gonna be really striking as soon as it grow bigger. So this is my Colocasia area, and I can show you. I have another one that is the craziest growing one. Just give me a second. All right. So this is another Colocasia that I have in my lotus area. This I think is called Black Illusion. This thing is huge and it sent out runner like a weed. It's really growing like a weed, and I just so big, and I can show you how far it actually travel all the way here. And look at how big is that leaf. How cool is that? And it actually get more color when it has more light. So if you have an area that nothing will grow, and you just want to add something that give you like actually, if you grow this, the weed is not gonna be able to grow through it because of how big it actually like how compact it's gonna see, how far it send out the baby. And yeah, they are everywhere. I'm serious, they are everywhere. Look here, even at the back there, like once you grow one, they will spread the entire area. And don't you worry about it, because it looks invasive, but actually it's pretty easy to get rid of them if you don't want to. So there you go. Here is my Colocasia collection. Hope it inspire you all. You can grow them. I would say give them a morning sun, and it's the best. This is really the worst spot it can get, and it grow really fine. Yeah, just enjoy it. There's nothing you need to do, and they overwinter in our area so well. Like we have a 9-inch snow last year. Every single one of my Colocasia, my elephant ear, come back and bigger. Like this was last year. This was there last year. My Black Magic, my what I call that? This guy is the electric blue gecko. They are all going to come back for you as a pregnant. So it would just year after year they will get bigger and bigger, and you can share the babies with your friends or families or your neighbor, because they just produce so fast. And I'm pretty sure your friend and your family will really love it, big time. You know, so totally highly recommend you all to try it if you're in the south. My favorite, especially if it's so hot and you just don't want to garden at all. I don't want to garden at all during the summertime, just too hot. This is the best for you. It's a great coverage for the weed, and you don't ever need to worry about weed anymore. There you go. So this is what I want to talk about in my garden today. And stay cool, stay hydrated, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye.